All right, we're finally on Unit 2. Yay! So this is more for your own thing to fill out, so I can't tell you what to put here. All right, conditional statements. Think about it. You've had conditional statements most of your life. Your parents saying, if you want to go out with your friends, you need to clean your room. Or you need to do the dishes before you go out with your friends. Those are conditional statements. A conditional statement says a condition must be met in order for the conclusion to happen. So if something, then something. The if portion is the hypothesis. The then portion is the conclusion. So if a figure has 4 sides, well, the hypothesis is a figure has 4 sides. The then is a quadrilateral. So go ahead and underline and circle just like that. Converse. The converse is when you flip the if and the then. So the conditional. First, we're going to identify the hypothesis and conclusion. If a figure has 4 sides, we just said that. Then it's quadrilateral. The converse is we just flipped it. So they're going to do this. And you write if a shape is a quadrilateral. I'm going to abbreviate. Then it has 4 sides. I'm saying the same parts in different order. That's all converse is. Counter example. Think about it. If someone says something to you and you counter them, you know, like you make an offer, hey, I'll give you $50 for that video game. And they say, I want 55. They're countering your offer. So a counter example is an example that proves a conditional statement is false. You're countering. You're trying to prove it false. If a statement, though, is true, there's no counterexample possible. But if the statement is false, give a counterexample if it's false. Okay? So, if you live in Fenton, then you go to school at Summit. Well, you might think that's true, but it's not. It's false. How can we prove that? By a statement like, some people in Fenton go to Kirkwood or Lindbergh. I don't remember what it is. But just work with me here. I think it's Lindbergh. But you want to fix that. I get confused because Kirkwood and Lindbergh are the same road. But it's probably Lindbergh because Kirkwood is further north. So I'm to, you know, I got to fix that. Lindbergh. And there might be some people that live in Fenton that maybe go to Fox. If they live in the southern part of Fenton, maybe they go to Northwest or Fox. I'm not sure. But that is proof that the statement is false. Advertisements. These are hard to see in some of your packets. This one's not too bad, but the other one's pretty bad. Advertisements are conditional statements used to convince you to buy something. So write a conditional statement for this ad. There's a lot of things you can say. If you use Pantene, then your hair will be silky. Or smooth. Or you will be a movie star. I don't know, whatever. They make all kinds of crazy promises with advertisements. That's just one example. Okay? You can put whatever you want in. More ads. This one's hard to see on your paper. This right here is a shadow, you know, you can tell, of a crocodile. And honestly, I don't know what it's trying to say. You know, because usually when you're looking under the hood like that, something's wrong. Now, unless it's a dealer, but if you're looking on the side of the road like that, and you're looking at it, that means something's wrong. So your hood's going to eat you, your car's going to eat you. I don't know what this means, so we're just going to move on. All right, let's practice. Write conditional statements for the following statements. Sometimes these are hard, and I promise you the ones in the test and the quiz will be very easy. So, conditional statement. If a state is in America, the U.S., whatever, then it starts with the letter M. Okay? The converse is if a state starts with the letter M, then it is in America. Well, like I said, they're going to be easier in the quiz and test. Is this true or false? It's false. I don't know. But there are states in other countries that start with M. I don't know any off the top of my head. Let's say Manitoba. I don't know if that's a state or a country. But there are other states around the world that start with M, so that proves it false. Another one. If you're a boy, then you have stinky feet. The converse is just flip it. So if you have stinky feet, then you are a boy. Well, that's false, and you can use a counterexample and say, my sister has stinky feet. Or my mom, or whatever, my aunt. Whatever, my sister has stinky feet. That proves that statement incorrect. That's it.